Today, we will talk about how to potty train a puppy in an apartment. Let's have a look at the details. Potty training a puppy is a little trickier when you have an apartment, since you can't install a doggy door or easily let your furry companion outside. The key is to start early and be consistent. The first step is starting an outside routine. Take your puppy outside frequently. A young puppy, 8 weeks, needs to be given the opportunity to go outside every 20 minutes. If you are to increase the chances of her peeing outside rather than inside. Older puppies also need to relieve themselves frequently, as they can't physically hold their bladder for more than an hour or two. To avoid accidents, scoop up your puppy and take her outside once an hour like clockwork. This way your puppy will learn to associate going outside with going to the bathroom. Feed your puppy at the same time every day. This helps to reinforce a routine and allows you to better predict when she may need to go outside. Depending on your puppy's breed and needs, feed her a few times a day. Take your puppy outside after every meal and after she drinks a lot from her water bowl. Pick a designated place for your puppy to relieve herself outside. Going to the same spot every time will help her remember what she's supposed to do. Living in an apartment building, you might have trouble getting all the way to the closest park. Pick a patch of grass close enough to your apartment entrance that your puppy won't have an accident on the way. Use a command to help your puppy associate the spot with relieving herself. Say something like "go potty" or "just potty" when you set her in the designated spot. Use language to strengthen the puppy's association with the spot. Make sure you don't use the word "indoors." Just use it in the special spot. Reward your puppy when she relieves herself outside. The best way to train a puppy is to reinforce good behavior and eliminate possibilities for bad behavior. When your puppy relieves herself outside, giving her praise and a treat will make her want to do it again. Say "good girl" or "good boy" in a loving tone, and give your puppy some cuddles. You can also give her a small treat each time she goes correctly. And the second step is starting an inside routine. Confine your puppy in a certain area in the apartment. You can gate off your kitchen using a child or dog gate, or choose a different room. This is necessary during the first few months, since keeping your puppy in one place allows you to keep an eye on her, so you can take her outside right away when she shows signs of needing to relieve herself. Consider having an indoor bathroom spot. If your apartment is on a high floor in your building, it might be difficult to get outside in time for your puppy to go to the bathroom. If you have a small dog who makes manageable messes, you can consider paper training your dog instead of taking her outside every time. Keep your puppy in a crate at night, and while you're away. Puppies actually like the feeling of being in a small, cozy crate. It makes them feel safe and secure. For this reason, you should never use a crate as a form of punishment. It should be your puppy's personal safe place. Puppies don't like soiling their living space, so make sure you take your puppy outside so she can go to the bathroom right before you put her in the crate. Clean up accidents right away. If your puppy has an accident in her crate or elsewhere inside, be sure to clean it up and sanitize the spot, so it no longer smells like urine. If an area smells like urine, the puppy will instinctively want to relieve herself in the same spot again. Don't scold your puppy for having an accident. Never yell at your puppy or spank her when you see her having an accident. Puppies don't respond well to negative reinforcement. It only makes them afraid. If your puppy is relieving herself in your apartment, pick her up and immediately take her outside to the designated bathroom spot. When she successfully finishes doing her business there, reward her before taking her back inside. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.